All right, Algebra 2, this is your notes video for Tuesday, the 23rd. I know before you have watched this video, you have turned in your game plan 4-1 to 4-3 to my top tray. Thank you. I know you've done that. Now, your quiz is going to be on 12-1. This is, for actual points, I've changed it. It's 10 points looking skyward, so this is actual points. And I will only go over in class the ones that are not in the video. So make sure to watch the video here today, which I know you're doing. Right in standard form, numbers 1 through 5. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c, x squared term, middle term, and the constants. So here I distribute 4x times x plus 4x times 3. There you go, minus 7x. Combine like terms, 4x squared plus 5x. I've largely saved the more challenging ones for us to do in class when I get back. 5x squared minus 20x minus 3x. A negative times a negative is a positive 12 plus 10. Combine like terms. There we go. I will pause that there, or you should pause that to get those answers. All right. Say the vertex of the following functions. Negative b over 2a. Don't look up here. That is calculus. You can't look up there. Good luck. All right. What is this limit? Negative b over 2a. That's how you state the vertex. You just have to state the vertex. You don't have to state whether it's a minimum or a maximum. So a is 1. B is a negative 2. So it's the opposite of a negative 2. All over 2 times 1. X coordinate of your vertex is 1. F of 1 means plug 1 in for x. 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 7 is 6. The vertex is 1, 6. All right, on 9, negative b over 2a. B is 20. A is 5. The opposite of b over 2a. Negative 20 over 10 is a negative 2. 5 times negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 11. That's minus 11. Minus 11. That's how you get the y coordinate of your vertex. That is a negative 31. Now I'm going to make that change. 10 through 17, first outer and last. 8 squared, 8x squared, plus 20x, plus 6x, plus 15. The arrows mean multiplication. 14, x squared minus 7x plus 7x minus 49. Look at the x's cancel. That's interesting. X squared minus 8x minus 3x plus 24. All right. Then factor each expression. Do not solve. Don't tell me what x equals. It doesn't equal anything. There's no equation. What multiplies 24 and adds the 10, 6 and 4, x plus 6, x plus 4. This one is interesting. We'll see this when we get into the 4, 4, 4, 6 game plan. What multiplies to 49 and adds to a negative 14? Negative 7 and negative 7, or x minus 7 squared. Huh. What multiplies to 56 and differs by 1? Positive 8 and 7. Middle term is positive, so 8 is positive and 7 is negative. X plus 7, x plus 8, x minus 7. Okay, this is factoring by the guess and check method. I'm saving all but one of these for when I see again. There's only one way to get 3x squared. It is 3x and x. That's why I put that there. First off, your product and your constant are both positive, so both your factors are positive. What are factors of 4? Either 4 and 2, 1, or 2 and 2. This is why it works. 12x and 1x give you 13x, which is the middle term. We have factored it correctly. And lastly, the one I'm going to do on this page with you, x squared minus 16. What multiplies to 16 and differs by 0? Well, it's 4 and negative 4. One's positive, one's negative because you got a negative product. And positive 4 minus 4 gives you 0, and that's your middle term. Again, do pause this. You guys have a 30-something minute class period. I believe it's 35 minutes. And this video will not be that long. We're just going to cover this a little bit of this review. What multiplies to 8 and adds to negative 6? Negative 4, negative 2. X minus 4, x minus 2 is 0. Cover up method, x minus 4 is 0. Cover up method, x minus 2 is 0. You get 2 solutions. All right. What multiplies to 45 and differs by 4? Negative 9, positive 5. X minus 9 times x plus 5 is 0. X minus 9 is 0. X plus 5 is 0. Multiplies to 42 and differs by 1. 7 and 6. Middle term is positive, so 7 is positive. 6 is negative. X plus 7, x minus 6 is 0. What multiplies 25 differs by 0, positive 5, and negative 5. X plus 5 is 0, x minus 5 is 0. Those are 2 solutions. All right, 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. There's only one way to get 2x squared, and that's 2x times x. There's only one way to get 5, and if you have a positive product and a negative middle term, both your factors are negative. Minus 10x minus 1x is a negative 11x. 2x minus 1 is 0, x minus 5 is 0. Those are 2 solutions. All right, then we got 41. X equals negative 5 and x equals 1 are your solutions. I want to get the equation. So if x equals negative 5, x plus 5 is the factor. Just move that over. If x equals 1, then x minus 1 is the factor. Just move that over. And then first, outer, inner, last. It's all about multiplication. And combine like terms. There you go. 43. Write this in standard form. Wow. So here's what we're going to do. I FOILed that first. First, outer, inner, last. And got that. Then I multiplied everything by 5. And then I added 2x. And there we go. For a little distribution. Write it in standard form. We'll talk about 44 when we get back. Then a 46, factor each. First off, these have a 6 in common, so take out the 6. Then, now you don't have an equation, so don't divide the 6 away, okay? We don't have an equation there. 6 has got to stay on the outside. So then you have x squared minus 25. What multiplies to 25 and differs by 0? X plus 5, x minus 5. What do those two have in common? A 3. They're both multiples of 3, and they both have an x. So again, to factor means to divide. So 3x squared divided by 3x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. You had 2 x's. Take 1 away. Minus 33 divided by 3 is 11. You had an x. Take it away. A y-intercept is when x is 0, so plug 0 in for x. Square negative 1 multiplied by 5. The y-intercept, x-intercept is when y is 0. Plug 0 in for y. Now this is an equation. I can divide by 5 and forget about the 5. X minus 1 squared is x minus 1, x minus 1. So I just get one answer of x equals 1. All right, this is a fantastic review for that last quiz of this semester. And I've done roughly half of these with you. This will be a grade on Tuesday the 30th for you. This quiz review, that is, and we'll be taking the quiz on the 1st. And we are done here. Have a good Thanksgiving break. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.